Hi, this is Rachel at your KMC University Help Desk. I wanted to reach out to you folks today regarding overpayments. I've had quite a few questions come into the help desk regarding on what to do with these overpayments. Do I give them back? Does it go to the patient? Does it go to the insurance company? Those are all very valid questions. Back in February of 2016, CMS developed the 60-day overpayment rule. And what that means is you have 60 days to return the payment back to the appropriate person within 60 days of discovery or 60 days from notification from an insurance company. So when you're working your accounts receivable and you notice that there's a credit on the patient, it is your job to investigate to see who that credit belongs to. Now, if you do your investigating and it looks like the credit belongs to the patient because they may have overpaid, you need to contact that patient and ask them how they would like to use that credit. Now, they can use that credit on their next visit, or they may ask you to refund their payment back to them. It's a great tool to utilize because if there's a credit on a patient that hasn't been in a few months or even longer than that, you can use that as a great recall and get them back in as an active patient and use that patient credit towards that visit. Now, if it's an insurance credit, you need to contact that insurance and you need to ask them, should I send that back to you in the form of a check? Do you have a form that I need to fill out regarding that credit? Or they may say they may take that credit back in the next insurance payment. That is totally up to the insurance company and how they would like to handle that credit. But please always remember when you investigate and you're doing your accounts receivable and you do come across a credit, it does belong back to the patient or it may belong to the insurance company. It is definitely not a credit that you can keep. That is not a gift. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the help desk, and I hope you have a great day.